In this video, we will cover how a print is removed from the printer safely, and how to replace the print bed. After the print is completed, you will need to remove the magnetic print bed from the heat bed before removing your print. First, wait for the print to be completed, and the platform to return to its home position. Do not touch the nozzle, as it will remain hot after a print. If need be, remove any filament stringing from the nozzle. Next, using both your index fingers and thumbs, lift the corners of the print bed and separate it from the heat bed. To correctly remove the print bed, place your index fingers under the corners of the print bed, and your thumbs on the thumbprint icons on the heat bed. With a little force, lift the front end of the print bed to separate it from the heat bed. Then, lift off the print bed with both hands to remove it. For the Prusa Mini 3D printer, you do not need a scraper to remove the 3D printed part. Scrapers can easily damage the Prusa print bed. Instead, flex it slightly on all sides and corners. Roughly 10 mm of deflection is sufficient. When you hear that sound, you can remove the 3D part with little effort. Do not flex the print bed too hard, as you can permanently deform it. The filament skirt surrounding the print can be easily scraped off with your fingernails. The same can be done for the nozzle wipe at the front of the bed. Make sure there is no remaining filament on the print bed. Now, your 3D printed part is ready for use. After removing the print, you will need to clean the print bed with an alcohol swab. This will keep the surface clean, so that the next print will properly adhere to the print bed. You can get an alcohol swab from your lecturer. Both sides of the bed can be used for printing, so remember to clean the other side as well. Try to hold the bed by its edges, and not leave fingerprints when cleaning the bed. Let the bed dry before returning it to the printer. Before placing the print bed, clear the heat bed of any debris. Then, hold the print bed with both hands and gently place the back edge onto the heat bed. Take note of the orientation of the print bed. Slide the print bed back. Align it with the 2 screws at the end of the heat bed. Then lower it slowly onto the magnetic heat bed. Do not rush in replacing the print bed, or drop the print bed. This will cause misalignment, affect the nozzle height calibration and potentially damage the printer. Do not replace the print bed when the print head is too low, as it can damage both the print bed and print head. Instead, raise the height of the print head first. Rotate and press the knob to select Settings. Then, Move Axis. Scroll and press the knob to select Move Z. Rotate the knob clockwise to increase the Z height. This will move the print head upwards. Then, press the knob to set the Z height and return to the previous menu. Return to the info screen. Always return the print bed back to the printer and close the enclosure. This will prevent the bed from being misplaced and damaged. Now the printer is ready for the next print.